In this video, I'm going to show you how we use our Sennheiser G4 transmitter and receivers to wirelessly send audio from a mixing board to a wireless speaker. Now, this is the receiver unit right here. This is the light gray. This dark space gray is the transmitter unit, okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into settings, click on easy setup, and then you're gonna click on scan new list. Now I've already scanned the new list. It saves the most recent list that was just scanned. So now if I click current list, it shows me I have 8, in bank 18, I have 7 clean channels. I'll click set, and notice as I go up these, the RF on the very left, it'll kind of bounce up if you see some channels that have slight interference. Like this one right here, I'm not gonna choose. I'm gonna go ahead and go with one. Actually, I'll go with one right here, okay? I'm gonna click set, okay? Now I have properly scanned and set my frequencies. You'll notice that there's nothing bouncing right here. I haven't changed this yet. So there's really nothing that should be popping up right here, okay? That's how we know we have a clean frequency. Notice we have half-wave antennas. Use half-wave antennas. Do not use the small quarter-inch antennas. You'll get a lot more distance and stronger signal using half-wave antennas. With our transmitter, we have an XLR input going into the left mono channel, and that's coming out of the output of our mixer. Also, we have a 50 ohm BNC cable, okay? It should be 50 ohm, not 75. 75 ohm is for video, 50 is for audio. It's going to an omnidirectional antenna. Using thin antennas is also really good if you're going in one direction, but this seems to work really, really well, especially if we have multiple speakers in different angles. And that is our setup, okay? Now that we have our channel right here, we're now going to go over to, we're gonna click this button right here and go into the menu. And the easiest way to do this is, hold on, not that one. Go into advanced, click, tune, and then I'm just going to match up the exact channel it's on. So 476.15, whoops, sorry about that. 476, 1.5, okay? So now it should be good. Now watch this, we're gonna start getting signal here in a second. Boom, it pops up. We are now receiving signal, okay? Now on this left side, you're going to see that because we only have audio coming in one of the XLRs, this is our decibel meter limit right here. And if it gets up to the peak, then of course we're gonna get bad peaking and popping, and we do not want that. So I'm going to come down on our mixer. I have our mixer set up right here. I'm gonna come down just a little bit so it's hitting not as high. So for example, see how low I can get it if I just turn it down. I'm gonna get up to like right here is probably good. Okay, you can see the receiver is getting about -20 between -15 dB. Now I can go into the settings and boost this if I want to pretty easily, okay? Now out of this, I'm going to use the XLR into the speaker. And once it's into the speaker, we now have a wireless speaker system. And of course, come and check on this signal strength. It should be close, actually at the very top here for perfect signal or near perfect. And then as it degrades, it'll go down. I've noticed that between 25 and 30 is when it starts kind of losing signal, but anything above 30 to 40, it has always worked really well. So that is how you do wireless speakers using the Sennheiser G4 units. We have 3 of these, and so we can do 3 wireless speakers, which is awesome. We only have 1 of those.